Today we'll learn how to do a storyboard for the very specific task we have in our website. And we learned that mostly of the things needed to do a good storyboard we're already taking care of, so it did a good feeling to us. We also test a flow of our early adapter, and we found out that it's going to be a good experience for him in general. And tomorrow we will keep doing our customer validation. We have several appointments that we expect to do during the weekend, and so we can get the results by Monday.
Okay, today I think I learned a little more about what is a land page and how can I take advantage of that, because I wasn't really sure if this session was for me because my product has to do more like with hardware. But I think I finally understood how this helped me already to make the way, let's say, to find my customers in an easier way. And I think there are a lot of advantages for me as well. So I learned the concept, I learned how can I use it, and tomorrow, and actually my plan for the next week is to start. I already picked a segment, so I'm going to build my landing page in order to try to find more or to know more about my market or the segment I picked. So a lot of work to do, I think, to visit possible customers.
Hi, well, today was a very special day for us since we make an exercise that helps us to deeply identify the profile of one of our potential customers. We were thinking that we know everyone about him, but once we use the persona overview schema, we start identifying elements that we were missing, and that will help us a lot in order to detect features and functions for the solution. So we will, well, today, tonight, all the weekend, we will continue to develop the landing pages, and also we will continue the next week with more interviews. We will go to Mountain View, where we will identify which startups are hiring, and we hope to have those interviews in order to get feedback and details for the project.
How do you find the companies that you want to interview?
I find them using Crunchbase and using the one of the options that is nearby. Once you find the company, you click the nearby link, and you identify very easy the name and the exact location of the startup. Then you just need to go and see their website and find if they are hiring, and that's how I made it.
That's a very good way.
Hi, today I have learned about user experience, and I think that the most important part of this concept is that you need to focus on the more important features that helps the people in their activities and that makes more value for that person. So you need to focus on that features, and actually you need to do like a customer development, because before this I would try to develop an application, but I don't know the context of the person who is going to use this application. So it's very important to know more about the context where the application will be used. And for for this weekend, I will be working on some marketing validation through internet using landing page and Google Analytics.
How did you decide to go for working on the weekend?
How? Because I don't understand.
Yeah, why you are going to be working on the weekend?
Because I want to sell my product now. So that's why I need to know more about the market, know more where I need to work. What is the first thing I need to develop to be successful, to be accepted on the market?
Perfect.